Welcome back everyone to a new video. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of a modification on the 1 Series. Just going to be changing the back brake light because it's all broken. I'm going to put a new black one on there. So yeah, I shall open the box now and show you what it looks like. Box it out of here. So that's going to replace the terrible red one, which when I go outside I shall show you that one, sorry. It's all broken, so it needed replacing, so why not upgrade to a nice black one. So as you can see in that corner, it's broken off there, and on this side it came off, so I had to glue it back together. So yeah, I think it needs replacing. So you've got to take this cover off first by removing all of these plastic plugs. So remove all of them first. So we'll do that now. Just get your plastic pry bar to just screw them all out, or pull them all out, should I say even. So once they're all out now, you've got to remove the blue, is it a triangle I think in there? I've never opened it. So just unclip each of these and it'll just come off easily. As you see behind, there's 2 torque screw bolts which need to be removed. So the size that you'll need is a T30, and just screw them off. Make sure the flap doesn't get in the way trying to unscrew them. And once they're off, the cover should just easily pull off, just like that. Put that to one side, and you can see inside there there is 4 screws holding the brake light on. So they'll need to all come undone. So I finally got them all out, which I didn't even have the right tools because they were so long, so I had to use this with some pliers just to grip hold of it to try and get them out. So that took a lot longer than what it should have done because I don't have the right tools, but yeah, they're all out now, so it should hopefully pull out. Quickly show you that I've taken all of them out now, so it should lift, and then just disconnect the wiring from it. So to remove the light, I'm going to give each one of them a wiggle just to release them all off. As you can hear it coming loose. Once you've given all them a wiggle, put the boot down and then just pull it from the outside then, and then it'll release. Then out she comes, and obviously it's connected in by the wire, so we'll just take that out now by just pulling it out. Do it off camera as it's a bit stiff. So I've got the old one out now. As you see, it's a little bit broken. Like I say, the wire that's in it there, just pull it out, wiggle it around, and that'll be a bit stiff, but it'll come out. So yeah, let's go and fit the new one. While I've got it out, I'll just give the surrounding area just a quick wipe down. So I tried to fit it in, but unfortunately that little black plastic bit which was sticking up just wouldn't go through underneath, so I'm going to try and just file it down and hopefully remove it. And unfortunately I've broken one of the one of the ends off, which isn't good. So there's the first problem. So I've managed to file it down, so hopefully now it should fit, fingers crossed. So let's fit the new one in, which is just reverse of how you took it out really. Plug the wire back in. Eventually it'll go in. Can be a bit stiff, you see, trying to just get it in, but and then place it in the hole and then line up the screws with the holes underneath the boot. Make sure you line them up and then just press it down and just force it in. Give it a wiggle on each end and then just try and push it in, and eventually it'll go in. They are a bit tight to get in because they're not going to give you too much room. And just keep pressing it all in until you're happy with it all. So I managed to get it in now and it's all done. Unfortunately the end bit has broken off, so I'm kind of back to how the old one was. So yeah, that's a little bit annoying, but the black does look a lot better on it now. But I think I will replace it and get a new one. So now I've fitted it all, I think it'll look good if I tint out the lights. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Fortunately, it didn't go quite to plan, but I'm a little bit too heavy-handed and a few things have ended up snapping off. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because there's going to be another video coming next week of me tinting the lights. So fingers crossed that goes a little bit better than the light does. So yeah, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.